This song by Tagore, Open Your Mind, Walk Alone, We Are Not Afraid, Walk Alone. Swamiji, like a diver, plunged into the ocean of India. He was a prince despite all the disguise of a monk, with the fire of genius burning in his eyes. This Bangla song of Tagore is apt to capture the mood when Narendra, now Swami Vivekananda, travels to various cities of India before finally reaching Kanyakumari. In Kanyakumari, Swamiji swam across the Indian Ocean when the boatmen had refused to take him in the boat because of the stormy weather conditions there. He sat on a rock. Today, as you all know, this is called the Vivekananda Rock. He meditated there, and the significance of this is that it was during this meditation that Swamiji took the momentous decision to travel to the West and talk about India to seek help for the poor and needy here. Thus, in 1893, Swamiji visited the Parliament of Religions and delivered the famous speech at Chicago. Brothers and sisters of America, as you all know, this received a thunderous applause from 7,000 people for full 2 minutes. The common theme was universality, the religion which is as vast as the sky and as deep as the ocean. On 4th of July 1902, Swami Vivekananda, at the age of 39, passed into eternal rest. But his words, "Arise, awake and stop not until the goal is reached," keeps ringing in everyone's ears. He once said to Eric Hammond in London, "Even if I have to leave my body like a worn-out garment, I shall not cease to work for the welfare of others. I shall not cease to work for the welfare of others." Kuru Seva Tvam. That is what he stood for. Ladies and gentlemen, the concluding song of this musical that brings out this concept of Kuru Seva Tvam, Bharata Desha Hitaya.
Shiva.